everyone, and welcome to another edition of Fun Style Friday. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. In this edition of Fun Style Friday, we're going to be doing a quick and easy turban style with a t-shirt. We all know, ladies, we don't always feel like doing our hair, and this is just a quick and easy way to still look cute. But first, let's talk about this wash and go I'm rocking. This is actually a 6-day wash and go, and my hair is actually behaving today, so we had to just point that out. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscription button and hit that bell so that you're notified each time that I post. Now let's get on to the video. For this style, you will need a t-shirt, some edge control, an edge brush, and a hair scrunchie. I'm going to start by gathering my hair to the very top of my head, and then once my hair is gathered to the very top, I am going to put my hair into a bun. So now I'm going to take my t-shirt and I'm going to take the end that goes around your neck, and I'm going to put this over my head. Once this is over my head, I will go ahead and gather the t-shirt all the way to the top of my forehead and kind of gather it as tight as I can. Once I have it as tight as I like it, I'm going to start twisting the t-shirt. So I'll twist the t-shirt and then basically just twist it around my bun. Once it is twisted around my bun, I'm going to tuck the end into the wrap. And depending on how big your bun is or how tight you tighten the t-shirt, it will determine how big the knot at the top of the t-shirt is. So now I am going to just adjust it to where I want it and where I like it. So once it is adjusted, I'm going to go ahead and apply some edge control. Then I'm going to use my edge brush just to lay my edges to where I want them. Okay, so now my edges are done and this is my final look. Okay, so that was my quick and easy head wrap with a t-shirt look. If you like this look, please make sure you thumbs up the video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave comments down below. Make sure you are following us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.